Hiccups by Marguerite Cooler. Skeleton woke up. He had the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. He's in the shower. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Polished his bones. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Carved a pumpkin. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Raked some leaves. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Played with ghosts. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Eat some sugar. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Drink some water. Upside down. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Ghost made a face. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Said boo to Skeleton. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. But nothing worked. Hiccup, hiccup. The hiccup stayed. Hiccup, hiccup. Then Ghost got smart. Hiccup, hiccup. He found a mirror. Hiccup, hiccup. He held it up. Hiccup, hiccup. Skeleton screamed. Ah! Hiccup, 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 hiccup. The hiccup left. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. They jumped away. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup.